Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Andrae Crouch's Oh, It's Jesus. This is written in the key of D flat. Very simple song, you just have the chords for the chorus and for the verse. So let's go through the intro. For that section, the intro, you're going to be playing this D flat to A flat. You're going to walk up from A flat, A flat, F sharp over B, A flat over C, to D flat. And you can do something like this. Goes to F sharp, 4 over 1, to the 1. Do it again. Then for the beginning of the chorus. Oh, it is Jesus. To that D flat 7. Okay? Oh, it is walk up. Is Jesus in my soul. Okay. For I have touched the hem of his garment, and his, sorry, A flat, blood is made. Let's do it again. Okay, then for the chords of the verse. I tried all that I could. Seems like nothing did me any good. Then I heard Jesus. He was passing by. Then I decided to give him a try. And then you go back to the chorus. So, the chords are F sharp, D flat over F, E flat 9, A flat to D. The lyrics were, I tried all I could. Okay, then you go to D flat over F, D flat 7 over F, and it seems like nothing did me any good. These chords. So that was an F sharp to D flat over F to B flat minor 9 to E flat 9 to A flat 9. Then I heard Jesus. He was passing by. You're going to be playing. to give him a try. Okay, and then back to the chorus. Oh, where's Jesus? Oh, where's Jesus? Is Jesus in my soul? What the soul? Okay. And his blood makes me whole. And his blood, it makes me whole. Hey guys, thank you so much. That was a brief run through of Oh It's Jesus by Andrae Crouch. Thank you again, and I will be back with some more tutorials. Take care.